Filipina here. Thank you for joining me today on my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't joined the fam, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you're notified whenever there's a new makeup tutorial. Also, I do travel videos and fashion videos and vlogs, so if you're someone who's into that, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. You might like the videos that I put out there. So before we start, I just want to say I got my eyelash extensions done. So I got it done from Brow Studio Dubai in JLT Cluster X, I think. So yeah, so I got this lashes for like a week now and it's still holding up. Hopefully it will hold up for 3 more weeks. I'm looking to have it for like a month at least. I don't think I can live without these lashes now because I usually wake up like this nowadays. So if you want to get your lashes done, make sure to go to Brow Studio Dubai because they're amazing. They really take care of you over there, and you can check out their Instagram account. I'll link it down below so that you can see how good they are. So on to the makeup tutorial. Today I'm gonna do this no makeup look. Very simple, very easy. So of course we're still gonna use makeup to achieve this look. Nobody wakes up like this. Nobody, not even me. Nope, it's just about enhancing your features, and thanks to my eyelash extensions, I don't have to do so much with my eyes. Also, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure to finish the whole video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with this Strobe Liquid Lotion by MAC. The key to a no makeup look is really well prepped skin. So for this look, I'm using a BB cream. This one is from Dr. Jart. It actually has an SPF on it. You can use a tinted moisturizer as well. If you really need a little bit of coverage, then go for a light to medium coverage foundation. I forgot about how good this BB cream is. Then after that, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Creamy Concealer. This one is in Ginger. This is my favorite concealer right now. And then with a beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend that in. So for the brows, I'm just gonna use a brow powder so it really looks natural. So I'm using this Great Brows by MAC, like a mini brow set. And then you can set that with a brow gel, but I don't have a clear brow gel. So I'm using the Etude House Natural Brown Eyebrow Gel. So for the cheeks, I'm using this Lip and Cheek Color by MAC. This one is in Keep It Casual. I'm gonna use this brush, 159 brush, to put it. You can use your fingers as well, but just wanna use my brush. Put a little bit in the middle of your nose as well. So next, just a little bit of contouring. Very, very little. I'm using this Match Sticks by Fenty Beauty. This one is in Mocha. So just here. I'm not gonna bring it down so much. Okay, now that all the creams are done, we're now gonna put in the powdered products. I'm just gonna put this brightening powder by Laura Mercier under my eye. So I'm not gonna put powder all over because I want a dewy kind of look. And then with the contour powder, I love doing this, put that all over your lid. So for the highlighter, I'm using this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter Duo. So since this is a like no makeup look, we don't want to go crazy with the highlighter. So I'm just gonna use the very toned down one, which is Mean Money. Just like a hint of glow in there, because Hustla Baby is a little bit of glam. And then Mean Money, I think, is just for your everyday glow. So I'm just gonna put that one, okay? So I'm using Peaches by MAC, again, just on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm just gonna put a lip tint. This one is from Peri Para. This one is their Paris Ink Velvet. I'm gonna do a gradient lip. So this is the Korean way of doing their lips. I'm just gonna put this in the middle of my lips. And what I like to do is put a nude lipstick around it just to really show that gradient. This one is from NYX. This is Abu Dhabi. So that's it. That's the no makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoy that. Very easy, right? So now for the giveaway, I'm giving away this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter Duo. This one is in Mean Money and Hustla Baby. Really, really gorgeous highlighter. All you need to do is check out the description box down below on how to enter the giveaway. Good luck to everybody! Okay, bye for now. Keep smiling!